G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on your VW Jetta. So this model has a push button start, so let's get stuck into it. So the first thing we're going to do is come down to the start stop button. We're going to turn the ignition off. Then what we want to do is hold down the odometer button while we turn the ignition back on. So I'll just hold down the odometer button while I flick the ignition on. Then you can see that our menu here has changed. Now we can come to the steering wheel buttons here and we can confirm it by hitting OK, and you can see that's reset the service. So now we can use our steering wheel buttons to go across to the service menu. We can scroll down using these down buttons till we get to service. Check the info, you can see it's reset to 15,000 Ks or 365 days. So there you go guys, that's how you reset the service light on your VW Jetta. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.